Diamonds have fascinated people for centuries because of their brilliance, durability, and rarity. Many people who find unusual black or transparent stones in nature often wonder if they might have discovered a rough diamond. While professional gemological testing is the most reliable way to confirm a diamond, there are several simple home experiments that can help you make a first evaluation. One of the easiest and safest methods involves using ordinary household vinegar. Vinegar is a mild, natural acid that reacts with many minerals and stones. Although vinegar cannot fully prove that a stone is a diamond, it can help eliminate many common look-alike minerals such as calcite, limestone, or certain soft rocks that dissolve or react with acid. Because diamonds are made of pure carbon and are extremely chemically resistant, they will not react with vinegar. This simple test can therefore help you determine whether your stone could potentially be a rough diamond. Why vinegar can be useful for testing stones. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which is strong enough to react with several minerals. Stones that contain calcium carbonate or other reactive compounds may fizz, bubble, or slowly dissolve when exposed to vinegar. Diamonds, however, are one of the hardest and most chemically stable natural materials on Earth. They do not react with vinegar, lemon juice, or most household acids. Because of this resistance, vinegar can be used as a quick elimination test. If the stone reacts strongly to vinegar, it is almost certainly not a diamond. Materials you will need. Before starting the test, gather a few simple household items. White vinegar, a small glass or ceramic bowl, clean water, a soft brush or cloth, the rough stone you want to test. Make sure the stone is clean so that dirt or soil does not interfere with the observation. Step 1. Clean the stone. First, rinse the stone with clean water to remove dust, clay, or sand. If the stone is very dirty, gently scrub it with a soft brush. Cleaning the stone helps you clearly observe any reaction that may happen during the vinegar test. Step 2. Place the stone in vinegar. Pour enough vinegar into a glass bowl to fully cover the stone. Carefully place the stone into the vinegar. Let the stone sit in the vinegar for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, watch carefully for any visible reaction. Step 3. Observe the reaction. Look closely at the stone while it is in the vinegar. Some possible reactions include bubbling or fizzing. This usually indicates the stone contains carbonate minerals and is not a diamond. Surface changes or dulling. If the stone's surface begins to change or dissolve, it is likely a softer mineral. No reaction at all. If the stone remains unchanged, this is a good sign. Diamonds are chemically resistant and will not react with vinegar. Remember, no reaction does not guarantee that the stone is a diamond, but it means the stone passed this simple elimination test. Step 4. Rinse and dry the stone. After the test, remove the stone from the vinegar and rinse it thoroughly with clean water. Dry the stone with a soft cloth and examine it again under good lighting. A real rough diamond will remain unchanged and will not lose its natural texture. Additional signs of a rough diamond. If your stone passes the vinegar test, you can look for other characteristics common in rough diamonds. Very high hardness. Diamonds can scratch glass easily. Natural crystal shape. Rough diamonds often have cubic or octahedral forms. Greasy or waxy luster. Many rough diamonds have a slightly oily appearance. High density. Diamonds feel heavier than many similar-sized stones. Black rough diamonds, also known as carbonado diamonds, often appear porous, irregular, and very dark with a matte surface. Important warning. Home tests can only give clues. Many minerals can pass simple tests and still not be diamonds. Also, scratching tests can damage stones or surfaces, so they should be done carefully. The only way to confirm a diamond with certainty is through professional gemological testing using specialized tools such as thermal conductivity testers, microscopes, or laboratory analysis. Conclusion. Testing stones with vinegar is a simple and accessible method that anyone can try at home. Because diamonds are chemically stable, they will not react with vinegar, while many other minerals will show visible reactions such as bubbling or dissolving. Although this test alone cannot prove that a stone is a real diamond, it can help eliminate many common look-alike rocks and bring you one step closer to identifying a potential rough diamond. If your stone shows no reaction and has other diamond-like characteristics, the next step is to have it examined by a professional gemologist for confirmation.